Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel with another haul video, and this time it's a Purplle haul. Of late I have purchased a couple of interesting products and some necessities from Purplle, and I thought I'll share it with you. But before we get started, I have this box full of products from Purplle. Before I cover everything that is there in the box, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now let's dive into the box and see what I have purchased. So in no particular order, I will be taking out a product. I have kept all of these. All of it came together in one parcel. This is something that I like about Purplle, that they don't waste boxes, because Nykaa often sends 2-3 products in one package and you end up wasting more cardboard boxes, which is not required. Nonetheless, I love Nykaa, I love Purplle, but yeah, this is something I love about Purplle more. But before we talk about what products that I have, if you're wondering what's on my lips today, I'm wearing the My Glam Lit Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick. I'm wearing the Liquid Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade 1 Yummy. The writing is super tiny. I'm pretty sure you won't be able to make it out, but nonetheless, this is a beautiful shade that I'm wearing today. So just wanted to cover that at the onset. Okay, so first let me cover this face washes. This is from Good Vibes. This is the Tea Tree face wash from Good Vibe. I have used Good Vibes face washes, tea tree specifically, green tea, tea tree. These all work for me. So this is the first product that I have purchased, their face wash, and this one retails for rupees 195. However, I paid rupees 176 for this one. I paid 176 again, and this is for the green tea face wash. So yeah, I bought the tea tree green tea all together. If you're hearing construction site noises, please excuse that. I can't help it, but I have to tell it out. People who are watching me for the first time, they won't know about the background noises. So I have 2 construction sites next to my house and they are working, and the noises will always be there. Please bear with me and we'll continue with the haul. So this is the next face wash. This is the green tea one, so we'll use and let you know how they fare. I have one shower gel from Good Vibes. This was free with the Good Vibes other 2 orders. This is the Lotus and Sage shower gel. I have used the pomegranate shower gel before. No, that was pomegranate face wash. Sorry, I have used the Lily of the Valley shower gel. They don't lather up much, but they smell good, do the job. But if you're looking for a luxurious experience, that is not what you will get out of the Good Vibes shower gel. That is something I can tell you. I don't know how this variant will fare, but from my past experience of the Lily of the Valley shower gel, that didn't work so well from the lathering perspective. So might be this will not work as well that way, but they definitely smell good and do the job. This is 200 ml, by the way, the free product. So that's a good thing. The marked price is 225, so that's good. They gave a 225 rupees free product. Next I have Multani Mitti from the brand Vayam. I have always purchased Multani Mitti from local stores, but I needed one because I'm running out of one. I'm always up for Multani Mitti. I am an avid believer of the benefits of it. I have made a full video of it. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it up right here. You can check it out. This one is also Multani Mitti, and I haven't used Vayam Ayurveda's products before, but I purchased this one. This is 400 grams of product that you get, and you are supposed to pay rupees 145 for this, but I paid rupees 123 for this one. I hope this acts like the normal Multani Mitti and there is nothing exceptional about it, but we'll use and let you know for final how this fares. Next up I have nail lacquer remover. Actually, if you have watched my previous videos, you will see I love nail polishes. You will always see some color or the other on my nails, so I purchased this NY Bay nail lacquer remover. This one, I am running out of the one I am currently using, the faces one. I am already half with the color bar one as well, so I thought I'll stock up with this one. This one retails for rupees 49 and I had 2 rupees discount, 47. I have one more product from NYB, that is the Runway matte lipsticks with argan oil, and this is in the shade Statement number 10, and I'll show you the shade how it looks like. First of all, I like the packaging of this. This is beautiful. The golden color is nice. I just don't like the black font in which this NYB is written. I mean, I don't know, golden and black, it's in person also it's not looking nice. I don't know, on camera it might look nice, but in person it doesn't. So this is a beautiful maroon shade. I'll give you a swatch of this as well. Okay, it's quite sheer. The color payoff is not extremely well, and that is why the swatch you will see is not good as well. This is not one stroke application. I had to apply quite a few coats to get this color payoff. But yeah, as it dries down, it is becoming matte, and it's a beautiful color. This is the maroon type of shade. This is called Statement number 10. This retails for rupees 175, and I paid rupees 158 for this one. So looking forward to use this one. Then I have one lipstick from the Purpple's Ultra HD Matte range, and this is in the shade Zumba Partner. It's written here. The writing is super tiny. I'm not sure you will be able to see it or not, but it's a very pretty nude shade. Just look at it. It's peachy nude. I love peachy browns. I'll give you a swatch of this. There you go. It's a beautiful color, Zumba Partner. I am so loving this color. This is so me color. I love colors like this, and love the fact that it's magnetic. So love the packaging. This one retails for rupees 399, and I got it at rupees 359. So yes, looking forward to use this one as well. Then I have two lipsticks from Swiss Beauty. Those are kind of dupes of the Huda Beauty lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like from the outside. This is the HD matte lipstick from Swiss Beauty. I have two shades. One is called Mauve Blush, and the other is called Cute Nude. I'll give you swatches of these. I haven't even opened this till now, as I wanted to do the swatch first time in front of you. So it comes in again a plastic packaging like this, so quite impressive. This is how Swiss Beauty is written on the lipstick. Okay, this is not magnetic. Of course, I can't expect magnetic lid at the price point. I'll tell you the price point. And this is how this one is Mauve Blush. This is how Mauve Blush looks like. This one is Mauve Blush. This is quite a deeper shade compared to this one, but on the similar lines. This is mauvey pinky nude, and the other one is clearly a brown nude. It's a beautiful color. It's HD matte, but it is not as creamy as the Huda Beauty one. I have the Huda Beauty one from this line, so I can tell you. This is the one that is from Huda Beauty. Yeah. So this is how the Huda Beauty bullet looks like, and this is how the Swiss Beauty bullet looks like. So they're pretty much similar, but not essentially from the quality. At least Huda Beauty is way more creamier. This is light, this is nice as well, but this is definitely not Huda Beauty. And see, it's not sticking together, so carrying this around will be a bit risky. Not happy actually. From the packaging perspective, they look similar, but at least the lid should have been tightly shut. See, this is what happened. I could push this one inside, but this came out. Not very happy. I mean, the color will be definitely good. I love Swiss Beauty. Lid should be secured. Even cheap lipsticks have that, isn't it? The other shade is Cute Nude. Let's try this one. So this is how Cute Nude looks like. It looks like a warm tone brown. This is what Cute Nude looks like. It's a different brown than these. It's quite pretty. It's quite different. Nice. So the color range is good. The color payoff is also good. Just not happy with the lid. Though this lid is better. This is magnetic. So I got that one bad. So I got that product bad. Okay. That makes me feel better at least, because then not all are bad in Swiss Beauty, then it's good. So yes, with that we have come to the end of today's haul video. If you like this video, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section if you have purchased any of these, if you have already used and you have an experience of using these products. What are your thoughts? How did it fare for you? Let me know in the comment section. We can get we can share our experiences there. And before you leave this video, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I will leave these product links in the description box below, just in case if you want to check out, you might as well do it. And if you want to follow me on my social media platforms, I'll leave all the details and links in the description box below and at the end of the video. So if you want, you can follow me there as well to stay better connected. So yes, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.